how to save a web page into a single JPEG file using Microsoft's Edge browser. So start Microsoft Edge, visit the web page that you want to save. Let's choose a product, let's say that one. Okay, now we can see multiple images as I hover over, but the final JPEG file will not show those. So position the page onto the image that you want to see in the final JPEG, let's say that one. Scroll down to load the rest of the page. Now this page has some closed elements, so open them up. Now let's go down to see the specifications of this product also. I want to see this portion in the final page, so I have to open that one up also. And I don't want to see the rest of the page, so I will not load that part, and thus those will not be included. Now we must go up to the top of the page, because otherwise a blue bar, in this case I think this one, might remain on the JPEG file in an unwanted location, so make sure you are back at the top. Now right click on empty area and web capture, click on this one. Up here, out of these three, capture full page, click on that one. The page is being loaded. In the upper right corner we have this floppy disk, click on that one to save the page. And it's here, hover over it and show in folder. Click on that one, and that's the page that we just saved, and the other one contains the blue line, which I will show immediately. So let's close that and the web browser itself. Now let's see that image where the page was not brought totally back to the top, and here we have that blue line. I just zoomed in with the plus sign, and that blue line is covering half of that fridge related specifications. So that's why we have to bring the page up to the top before saving it. Zoom out, and if I press enter, we can see that I'm using Fastone Image Viewer to preview that image. Enter again, and up here it's showing 2000 something, that's the width of the page, and 17,000 pixels, that's the height of this page. Now let's see the one that we just saved now, and that one is even taller, 26,000 pixels for the height. And down here, if we zoom in, those portions were not loaded because I did not went there, so they were not included into this JPEG file either. So which portions were visited just by seeing them, those are included into this JPEG also. And that's it, how to save a long web page into a single JPEG file. The JPEG in my case is 3.8 megabytes. I can delete the bad one and keep this one.